How to increase laptop speaker volume in Windows 11 and make your sound louder without using external speakers. If your laptop volume is already at maximum, but the sound is still low while watching movies, listening to music, or attending online meetings, you can adjust some built-in Windows 11 sound settings to improve the audio output. First, click on the Windows Start menu and search for Control Panel and select Sound. Under the Output section, select your laptop speakers. In my case, it is Speakers, Realtek Audio. Make sure the volume level is set to 100%. Now click on Properties and look for the Signal Enhancements option under the Advanced Settings section.
Turn on Signal Enhancements to allow Windows and your audio driver to apply available sound improvements. If your laptop shows Signal Enhancements, Audio Enhancements, or the older Enhancements tab, the option name may be different depending on your audio driver. Enable the available enhancement feature for better sound output. You can also check the Spatial Sound option and enable it if available for an improved listening experience. After making these changes, play any video or audio file and check whether your laptop speaker volume and sound quality have improved. So that's how you can increase laptop speaker volume in Windows 11 using built-in audio settings. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and step-by-step guides.